What is digital marketing and its benefits? What is digital marketing? Explained simply. Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. If you've ever wondered what exactly digital marketing is and why everyone's talking about it, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking it down in simple terms. What it is, how it works, and the awesome benefits it brings to businesses of all sizes. So let's jump right in. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is the promotion of products or services using digital channels like social media, search engines, websites, email, and even mobile apps. Basically, any marketing that happens online falls under digital marketing. Think of it as the modern version of traditional marketing, but smarter, faster, and way more measurable. There are several main types of digital marketing. Search engine optimization, SEO. Improving your website to rank higher on Google. Social media marketing. Promoting through platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and TikTok. Email marketing. Sending targeted messages directly to your audience's inbox. Content marketing. Creating valuable blogs, videos, or posts that attract people naturally. Pay-per-click. Advertising. PAPC. Running paid ads on Google or social media. Affiliate and influencer marketing. Partnering with creators or affiliates to promote your brand. Benefits of digital marketing. Cost-effective. Compared to TV or print ads, digital marketing is way more affordable and gives a higher return on investment. Global reach. You can reach audiences worldwide without even leaving your office. Targeted advertising. You can choose exactly who sees your ads based on their age, interest, location, and more. Measurable results. Every click, every view, every conversion can be tracked in real time. Builds stronger relationships. Through social media, email, and content, you can engage directly with your customers and build trust. Levels the playing field. Even small businesses can compete with big brands by using smart digital marketing strategies.